Knowing how our visitors behave and interact with our website helps us optimize the website for great user experience. The behavior overview section is where we learn how our visitors behave with our website, the pages they visited, the duration they spent, and so on. All these insights help us understand the behavior nature of our visitors. The behavior flow diagram gives us a page by page interaction of the visitors with the website. Not only can we see the number of sessions on each page, but we are also presented the number of sessions that drop off from that particular page. It helps us understand the most and the least engaging pages of our website. One also has the ability to go to the nth level to understand the interaction of the visitor with our website pages. The site content section gives us a thorough analysis of the individual pages of our website. As we can create a comprehensive overview of the website from the audience overview section, we also get a comprehensive overview of individual web pages from the site content section. Two important metrics are the bounce rate and the exit rate for individual pages. Once we understand these, we can then work to enhance the engagement by working on specific pages of our website. The site speed overview section gives us an indication of the average page load time, average redirection time, average DNS lookup time, average server connection time, average server response time, and average page download time. We can do an in-depth analysis of the site speed per browser for different countries or for individual pages of the website. This helps us identify any site speed issues that need attention and correction. Understanding the behavior of the website visitors with the website is critical in making the website more engaging to our audience.